Hi and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm going to put together something really simple tonight. Very simple. Okay, I got the rice going in the rice cooker. Easy, that's the easy part of the meal. Okay, next, I got some fast fry meat. Okay, what I'm going to do is, I've never tried this, this spice, carne asada. I've never tried this before. And this is what we're going to do tonight. We're going to put some of this spice all over the meat. Flip it. This is, what's it got in it? Spanglish. So it's Spanish English. Okay, I can handle that. Okay, so it's got sea salt, chili powder, garlic. That sounds good. Paprika. Okay. Sounds like everything that I really like. So anyways, we're going to sprinkle that all over the meat, like so. And we're going to let that sit for, okay, while I get everything else ready. I'm going to get some peppers cut up. Okay, and that's it. So we're going to leave that there. So as I'm waiting on that, I'm going to get my peppers cut up. And I'm going to add my peppers to the bowl. Okay, hold on 1 second. Okay, so we got a couple of peppers already washed and ready to go. Throw that right in there. Next time, maybe I'm gonna make stuffed peppers. When I saw that pepper like that, I thought, that would be yummy. I have to find a recipe to make that stuffed peppers. Actually, it would be pretty easy. All you need to do is, well, I would make rice and mix it with ground beef, right? Let's put an onion in here too. Mix it with ground beef and your seasonings. Cook it all up. Stuff your pepper and throw it in the oven. Sounds like a plan to me. Sounds like something that I'm gonna do shortly. Maybe next video. But like I said, this is a very easy dinner to put together tonight. We are going to fast fry the meat and all the vegetables after that, and we're gonna serve it on some rice. Come on. Okay, so this spice says that it's good even on the vegetables. So I'm gonna add a little bit to the veggies and sprinkle them around. Sprinkle, okay, sounds good. Okay, let's add a touch of oil. Just gonna mix this. So I'm gonna put my my frying pan, my skillet, and that's it. I'm going to put my skillet on and fast fry. Simple. And that's it. Now we're going to just fry it all up and serve it with our rice. And that's it.